Good morning. We are in Bruges, UNESCO World Heritage. We are in Bruges because it's the Triennale. What is Triennale? An event, an art event. They put all different kinds of art in this beautiful historical town. What is Triennale? Triennale is an art event that happens every 3 years. So that's why Triennale, it's 3 years. So 3 years ago we didn't do that. 6 years ago we came here with our kids. They were so small. They are not with us. It's like, my daughter is already 21 and they have their own plans. Orphie decided to edit for me. She's doing an education for content creation. But she has also her own channel, a YouTube channel. So maybe you can check her out. You will make her and me so happy if you do that. But we are here in a lovely park. This is the beginning. This is called Minnewater. This is going to be the place of the first art piece. You can print out a plan or you can ask in the info center, so you can find that online. So on this plan there's all different kinds of points that they marked for the Triennale. But after the first one we're going to eat breakfast first because it's early in the morning and we haven't eaten yet. So this art piece is called Grains of Paradise. She was inspired by the Minnewater. This was here a dock station, a harbor. The spices and all the vegetables and all the goods that was taken from one place to another to Bruges, it was all taken here with boats. And this is the inspiration that she has. Okay, we have eggs and then cheese, ham, all kinds of bread and cookies, and then our coffee. What is this? Lemonade. And then we have salmon. Wow, this looks good. It was very good, but very much. Little bit too much. They're always like, oh, let's take a special breakfast. Then again, we are not such a big eaters, and then you have like too much. But it was really good, really good. Let's see the next art thing. So this is another art piece just on the market. It's made from a Brussels architect bureau. They are creating this center as a stage. So everybody can be a spectator or an actor. It's like if you walk in, it's like there's something going to happen here. You can see you can walk on top of it. So maybe we can do that. My wife noticed something very cool. I haven't noticed it yet, but because there's a stage here, now you can look very close to these pieces on the ceiling. Otherwise, You can never see that up close. I haven't seen it. I was just watching the art and my wife says, look, you can look very closely in detail. Like, oh yeah, didn't notice that. So, really cool. So the next art piece is in this Hof van Bladelin, Court of Bladelin. It's from 1436, so it's really a historical building and it's a cylinder form and there are plants inside and it will change from spring till summer, so it will transform. So really a historical building with an art piece. Let's find out. This is a tribute to beehives. So it was traditionally like 3 centuries, 4 centuries ago, was very important here, and it's a tribute to that. And it's not just an art thing, it's real. So when I just arrived here, I saw the big table. I had some kind of Toy Story feeling. I guess we have been too much to Disney. It's like...
Or you stay a child.
Yeah, there's always a child in me and I hope it will never die. And when I get older and older, the more child there will be. Good luck, I will say. So, inspired by the historical lace history in Bruges, they created this. It's an American architect bureau. This is a formal Capuchin monastery garden, and it goes through the garden and connects 2 sides of the city. So it looks cool. Let's walk in. We have one left to do, and this, the last one in the Capuchin monastery, that was my favorite.
Yes.
This is a very, very, very nice one. Very nice one. So, but let's see, we can give the last one also a fair chance to be at the top. But this is, for now, this is my favorite. Especially for the Triennial, there's a very old abbey, St. Hodelieve Abbey, here behind these walls. Normally it's not open, but they opened the doors just for this Triennial. So we're going to take advantage of that and see what's there, because I'm very curious. So here there's not much to see, just a small corner that you can see a small movie. They are planning to open this in 2028. It has a new project, so we're going to go around the corner and see if we can go inside the abbey or not. So this is the entrance of the abbey. So you see it's not open, so it's just that little corner that is open. But okay, we have to wait until 2028 and then we can enter this monument. So yeah, why not? Sometimes you have to wait for something. Well, actually, that was not the last one. There's one more, but it's not in Bruges himself. It's on the beach in Bruges. This is like 20 kilometers, yeah, further from here. So you can do that.